Zhejiang, Guyuehu Industry and Trade Company Limited, founded in 2009, which is a national high-tech enterprise with a modern factory area of 26,000 square meters and more than 200 employees, of which 25% are R&D technicians. The main products are electric pruning shears, chainsaw, lawnmower, cordless leaf blower, tape tool, grafting tool, band saw, battery crimping tool, and so on. Under strict quality management system, the factory has passed ISO 9001 and BSCI. The company has a professional laboratory, and all products have passed CE, ROS, and other international certifications, and has obtained more than 80 patents, and participated in the drafting of national standards for electric pruning shears. Our brand SUCA have achieved excellent results in the field of tools at home and abroad for many years. Meanwhile, we also provide professional OEM and ODM services based on our experience in the garden tool industry. Now the company's products have been sold to the EU, North America, South America, Russia, Southeast Asia, and other more than 100 countries. With the mission of manufacturing safe, environmentally friendly, energy-saving, and intelligent garden tools, our company is oriented by consumer demand and faces the global market with professional services. Take advantage of our professional R&D team, actively broaden the product line, promote the development of the garden tools industry, and strive to become a leading enterprise in the garden tools industry.